Explore the benefits of chamomile tea as a natural remedy for combating stress and promoting calmness. Chamomile tea is widely recognized for its soothing properties, making it a go-to choice for relaxation and stress relief. Its gentle aroma and calming effects have been valued for centuries, offering a natural way to unwind and find inner peace. By incorporating chamomile tea into your daily routine, you can experience a sense of tranquility and well-being, making it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Discover how chamomile tea's compounds work to combat stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and reducing cortisol levels in the body. Chamomile tea contains bioactive ingredients that have a calming effect on the nervous system, helping to ease tension and promote a sense of well-being. By incorporating chamomile tea into your daily routine, you can benefit from its natural stress-relieving properties and support your overall mental health. Learn how drinking chamomile tea can promote calmness in both the mind and body, acting as a natural remedy for relaxation and improved sleep quality. Chamomile tea's soothing properties work to quiet the mind and relax the body, making it an excellent choice for unwinding after a long day. By incorporating chamomile tea into your daily routine, you can experience a sense of tranquility and enjoy better sleep, leading to overall well-being and rejuvenation. Unlock the secrets to brewing the perfect cup of chamomile tea to maximize its stress-relieving and calming benefits. By learning the best practices for brewing chamomile tea, you can enhance its soothing properties and enjoy a more relaxing experience. Discover the ideal brewing time and temperature that will allow the chamomile flowers to release their full flavor and medicinal properties, ensuring a cup that promotes calmness and relaxation with every sip. Discover innovative ways to seamlessly incorporate chamomile tea into your daily routine to effectively combat stress and promote calmness. Whether you prefer to start your day with a soothing cup of chamomile tea as part of a morning ritual or unwind in the evening with a calming bedtime routine, chamomile tea can be a versatile and beneficial addition to your daily regimen. By exploring creative ways to enjoy chamomile tea throughout the day, you can enhance its stress-relieving properties and create moments of tranquility and relaxation.